the final word. He is the light, He is the truth, He is the way, the final word.